Google DeepMind has taken a major financial stake in Hollywood, partnering with indie film powerhouse A24 in a multi-year $75 million deal. For moviegoers, this was a shock. A24 is not a cold corporate giant. It is a legendary, auteur-driven brand founded in 2012 that built a cult following on artistic purity and Oscar-winning masterpieces, like Moonlight and Everything Everywhere All at Once. In this video, we analyze what this deal actually is, why fans are pushing back, and why this represents the future of vertical AI tooling. The official announcement from Google DeepMind's blog made it clear that this is a research partnership. Unlike standard licensing deals that feed media libraries to base models, Google is investing directly in A24's newly formed labs team. Google provides the model infrastructure, while A24's creative artists act as a direct feedback loop to refine the tools, ensuring creative control stays in human hands. Rather than generating synthetic movies that replace human actors, A24 Labs is building behind-the-scenes production utilities. This includes tools like script-to-camera storyboard generators and scheduling heuristics to solve major bottlenecks in physical production. By targeting back-office grunt work, A24 seeks to liberate artists from administrative overhead. This partnership highlights a massive trend for AI builders, the transition to vertical AI workspaces. Broad, horizontal models like Gemini and Claude are incredibly powerful, but struggle with workflow integration and hallucinations when wrapped in standard chat interfaces. A24 Labs is building a vertical stack, domain-specific UIs, specialized agent scripts, and native connections to storyboarding APIs, all grounded by expert feedback. The deal's legal architecture is also a model for content agreements. In exchange for the $75 million cash injection, Google DeepMind receives workflow feedback data, but is explicitly firewalled from training its generative models on A24's film and television catalog. This protects the studio's underlying intellectual property, while allowing them to build custom tools. Despite the safeguards, the backlash from A24's core fanbase was immediate. For a studio that popularized prestige horror like Hereditary and championed filmmaker-first risks, any affiliation with big tech feels like a betrayal of their indie soul. Yet, proponents argue that co-developing AI from the inside is the only way to prevent tech companies from building creative tools in a vacuum. Ultimately, A24's partnership with Google DeepMind proves that the next frontier of AI is not replacing human creativity, but building deeply integrated vertical workflows. Subscribe to Use AI with TechDad for data-backed AI analyses, and tell me in the comments, is A24 pioneering a responsible path forward, or is this the beginning of the end for indie cinema?